So 3rd April is done. Next it is 5th April you have issued. So this is all about your calculation. We will not consider the last one. Why? So opening balance should be written in the receipt or issue. In case of addition, we should do like this. Now we have to copy all the word one. From the following details, prepare store ledger account under LIFO method. We are doing which method? LIFO. Hello everyone, this is your Adarsh sir, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. So we are in the 10th session of your topic called Cost Accounting. So now we are in the last stage, like we are doing LIFO method. In the previous session, we worked out one problem on LIFO. The same kind of problem we will do it today also, so that you will understand better. So the agenda for your class, the agenda is very simple. First will be concept, along with problem we will discuss the concept also, and we will go for problems on FIFO. Again I'll repeat, problems on FIFO. Now, so this is your problem number 2. We done with problem 1 and we are doing problem number 2. We'll go slowly so that you should understand this. Now, from the following details, prepare store ledger account under LIFO method. We are doing which method? LIFO method. In this, on 1st April 2009, all the informations are given. That is for 2009. Now, so opening balance, along with opening balance, they have given all the purchases. All the purchases together. But remember, don't start your problem in the order. Always start or always continue your problem as per date. Now, say 3rd April, before that you have 2nd April. After opening, you should go to 2nd April, come back to 3rd April. So, to confuse you, they will bifurcate and give you. What you people will do? You will do all the purchases together, then you will come for issue. No, you have to go as per day wise. If they have shuffled the date, you should go as per the continuous or one by one in the order. Now, in this, opening balance 800 units at rupees 4. This is your opening balance. 800 units at rupees 4. Then you have all the purchases like 1200, 750, 1500 as well as 700 units. Now you have issue also like on 2nd April 600, 1800, 1200 and finally you have 800 units. Now as per this, we'll go with opening balance. What is the year? 2009. What is the date? It is 1st April. Now, 1st April, so you can mention 2009. 1st April. Now, 1st April is enough or else 1st April. Now, 1st April, what is the number of units? 800. What is the value? 4 rupee. I'll go back. 800 units at rupees 4. So, opening balance should be written in the receipt or issue. Yes, it will go to balance column. Not even receipt, not even issue. See, you have mentioned LIFO method under store ledger. Along with that, you have mentioned maximum, minimum and ordering level as well as name of the material, bin number as well as code number. Even though it is always blank, it is your responsibility to fill every time. Now, as per this, your quantity 800, value 4 rupee. So, it will come around 3200. So 800 into 4, it comes around 3200. Now close this. Your opening balance we complete. Opening balance we completed. Now, we're done with opening balance. We'll go for the next. So, after 1st April, so which is the next day? Next day will be 2nd April. We will do this. How many units are issued? 600. Now, I'll go back 2nd April. So, this will be 2nd April. So, 600 units. We have only one box. LIFO or FIFO will not apply if it is only one box. So, it will be issue column 600. What is the value we have? 4 rupee. So it will be 2400. Now out of 800 we have used 600. What is the balance? 200. What is the value? 4. How much it is? 800. Now this is the balance. How come you got missed? Out of 800 we have used 600. 800 minus 600, you will be left out with 200. 200 value is 4. The final answer is 800. So this is done. Now we'll go for next one. Once you're done with 2nd April, we should go for next. It will be 3rd April. We should go for 3rd April. Now, what is given on 3rd April? 1200 units at 4.25. Now, 1200 units, 3rd April, 1200 units at 4 rupee 25 paise. Now, you have to multiply this. Now, in this, it will be how much it is? 1200 into 4. It will be 4800. Then 0.25 into 1200. It comes around 300. The final answer is 5100. 1200 into 4.25. You will get 5100. We'll write in the last column. First, we'll copy the old balance. Then we take the new balance 1200 4.25 and it is 5100. Yes, now we're done with your 3rd April. We'll move for the next one. So 3rd April is done. Next it is 5th April. You have issued 1000 units. 5th April. Now come to 5th April. We need 1000. Which method we are using? We are using LIFO method. We have 2 boxes here. Which box we can use? LIFO means last box. How much we need? 1000. Do you have 1000 here? Yes, you have more than 1000. But we need how much? 1000. In this, you take 1000. What is the value? It is 4.25. It will be 4250. Any doubt out of this? No. Now, your old box will remain as it is. We have not touched only. Next, out of 1200, you have used how much? 1000. What is the balance? 200. Now, balance is 200. Value is 4.25. It will come around 800 as well as, yes, 850. Now, so this is your 5th April calculation. Hope you understood. Now, we're done with your 5th April. Now, I'll go for the next one. So, almost 4 we have completed. Still, we have almost 7 more to go. Next, after 5th, we have 8th April. There is a purchase of 750 units. Purchase of 750 units. What is the date? 8th April. So we don't have much space here. I'll go to next sheet. Yeah, 8th April. How many units we bought? We bought 750 at 4.30. Quantity 750, price 4.30. So let me calculate 750 multiplied with 4.30. It will come 3,225. 3,225. 3,225 is your answer. Now, we have to copy everything now. How to copy? Now, as per this, now, as per this, the old thing we have to copy. Later, the current one we should consider. The old one is what? 200 into 4, 800. 200 into 4, 800. Second one, 200 into 4.25. 200 into 4.25. It is 850. The old balance we copied. What is the new balance? This is the new balance. Now, 750 multiplied with 4.30. The answer is 3,225. See, easiest one. If you purchase, you have to copy the old one. Later, you have to come back for new one. Now, this is done. Now, we'll come back to 8th April is over. Now, we'll go to next one. Next is what? 8th April is done means we will go for 12th April. Here we have 15th. Before 15th, we get 12th. Now, 12th April, we have 800 units. 800 units. Now, 12th April. So, 12th April. How much you need? 800. Do you have 800 here? No. How much you have? 750. First, we'll take 750. 750. What is the value? 4.30. How much it is? 3,225. This is done. How much we needed? 800. Still, how many needed we more? 50. So, it will become 800. Now, what is the value? 4.25. So, if you multiply, you will get around 212.5. So, 212.5, I'll make it as a round off like 213. So, it is actual 212.5. I made it as 213. Clear? Yes. Now, what is the balance? First one as it is, right? As it is, 200 into 4, 800. Second one, out of 200, I have used how much? I have used 50. So, balance is 150. The value is 4.25. The answer is, out of 850, we have used 213. It will be 630. 637. Yes. Now, so this is all about your calculation. We will not consider the last one. Why? Because we have used completely. Clear? Yes. So you also do along with me so that you will understand better. Now, this is done. Now, we completed this. We'll go to the next one. So, 12th is over. We'll go to 15th. There is a purchase of 1,500 units. So, 15th April. So, how much we purchased? 1,500. What is the price? 4.5. How much it will be? It will come around 6,000 as well as 6,750. How much it is? 6,750. Now, we will add to this. We'll copy the old balance. 200 into 4, it is 800. 150 multiplied with 4.25, it is 637. The new balance, 1,500 into 4.50. Your answer, 6,750. With calculator, it is easy to calculate. So just you have to see whether it is an issue or whether it is a purchase. Now, This is done. We'll go for the next. 15th April is done. Next will be 20th April. 1200 units are issued. I'll come back. So 20th April, how much issued? 1200. How much we have here? 1500. How much we needed? Only 1200. Now, out of this, take 1200. The value is 4.5. If you multiply, it will come around 4,806. 5,400. We have used only the last box. Now, remaining these two, what will happen? Copy paste, because we have not used. So it will be 200 as it is, and this will be 200 into 4, 800, 150 into 4.25, 637, 1500. How much you have used? 1200. What is the balance? 300. 300 multiplied with 4.50, it will be 1200, 1350. Any doubt up to this? We have done up to your 20th of April. I'll go to next. So this is all about your calculation up to 20th April. Will continue. Now, your 20th April is done. Now it will be 24th April. We have purchased 700 units. Now, so 24th April, 700 units. It will be 24th April, 700 units at 4.40. Let me calculate this. 700 multiplied with 4.40. It comes around 3.80. 3080. Now, in case of purchasers, what we should do? We should copy all the word, then we have to add this addition. I'll go back. So, you have 200 into 4, 800. 200 into 4, 800. Then, we have 150 into 4.25. 150 into 4.25, 637. We have 300 into 4.5. We have 300 into 4.5. So it is how much? 1350. 1350. Now, what is the addition? Addition, we have 700 into 4.40. It comes around 3080. Any doubt? In case of addition, we should do like this. Now, we have to copy all the old one and we have to add whatever the current purchase. Clear? Yes. Now, I'll go back to the last one. The last one is 26th April. 800 units are issued. How many units are issued? 800. I'll go back to that. 26th April. Now, 26th April, 800 units. How much we have in the last box? 700. You take this. So, we will consider 700 multiplied with 4.40. It will be 3080. This box is empty. Now, how much we needed? 800. How much we took? 700. If this is not sufficient, we should go for second box. It will be how much? 300. We need how much? Only 100. Now, 100. What is the value? 4.50. So, it will be 450. Any doubt up to this? No. So, total we collected or we issued 800 units. Clear? Yes. Now, in this, the first box we have not used only. So, write as it is 200 into 4, 800. Copy, paste. Now, second box you have not used only. 150, 4.25. It will be 637. Now, Third box you have used but not completely. Out of 300, you have used how much? 100. What is the balance? 200. 200. So it will be how much? 4.5. It will come around 1300. 200 into 4.5, it comes around 800 and it comes around 900. So these all about your calculation. Now out of 300 we have used 100, so we left out with only 200. Now the last box we have used completely, so that we will not touch your last box. Now this will be your balance. Any doubt? No doubt. So this is all about your LIFO method. Now what is the value? The total value you have 2 plus 4, it will be 550 units. Now this will be 1007 and 2337. So you have 550 and the value is 2337. Always remember, the rate per unit we will not calculate. What is your closing stock? We have 550 closing stock and the value is around 2337. We should not consider it as your cost per unit. Clear? Yes. Now this is all about your LIFO method. We added everything. 800 plus 6, 1400 plus 9, it is 2300. 2337 we have considered. Now 200 plus 200, it is 400 plus 150, it will be 550. So this is all about your calculation. So I'll go back to your slides so that you can take screenshot. So this is your problem. So we have gone day wise. So this will be your answer. This is the second part of your answer. And this is your third part of your answer. So this is all about your today's session. We discussed about almost one problem. There is a second problem on LIFO. There is the only problem. Along with this, you will get 1 or 2 adjustments. Which are those? Like there is a shortage of stock, there is an excess of stock, there is a pilferage or theft of stock. Next class. Thank you.